The day after H.D. Revana was arrested in connection with a kidnapping case registered against him, party workers protested in Holenarisipura, Hassan, demanding his release. H.D. Revana is the son of former Prime Minister Deve Gowda and JDS President Kumaraswamy's brother. Revana is facing a kidnapping case following allegations that his associate abducted a 20-year-old man's mother. Raju H.D., the complainant, along with his mother, worked as house help at Revana's farmhouse. The woman was allegedly kidnapped from her home on April 29 by Satish Babanna, a relative of Ravana, and was held captive at the farmhouse belonging to MLA's close assistant Rajashekar in Kalenalli. The woman was rescued by Karnataka police earlier in the day. The case against the JDS MLA was filed under Indian Penal Code Section 364A for kidnapping and Section 365 for forceful restraint, and non-bailable sections were invoked by Karnataka police. The JDS leader was taken into custody late on Saturday night by the Karnataka police team. He was detained soon after his request for interim protection from arrest in a kidnapping case was rejected by a Bengaluru court.